Hey guys, how's it going? This is Philip. Today I want to make a video about speeding up your process and workflow. And so I wanted to share with you an interesting trick that I use and that I learned during my time as a game artist and something that I used during the making of this illustration. And so, for example, if I wanted to make all these crystals and would go ahead and manually try to paint them in one by one and make them detailed and different, it's going to take me a long time, right? And I ain't got no time for that because I want to go fast. So what I would suggest and what I do usually is beforehand I create a variation of assets that I can use throughout my whole painting and in any way I want really. So one example how I would use them right now is this. I would grab them and group them together just as an idea. And right now I have a pattern based off the assets that I have, and already I can use it for something like the crystal mane of this creature. So we'll do something like this. And I can copy paste it like this. And I can copy paste it again, like so. And already I created a pattern that just took me a few seconds to make. And so we're gonna go ahead and do it again. Copy paste it, make it smaller, bring it to the front. And just for the heck of it, I'm gonna add some shadow in between just to differentiate them from each other. This is a quick example, right? So you can already see how I generated multiple crystals and detail in just a short amount of time, and that's what we want. And so after we copy pasted this, I want to go ahead and edit them afterwards so they feel a little bit different from each other and to avoid that copy pasty effect. And so just as a quick example, I would do something like this and add this kind of color. Maybe add some highlights. And as you can see, they already feel different. And in a short amount of time, I created detail and multiple crystals just using two assets. And this helped me a lot, and I hope it helps you too. And you can use it for your own art. And so that's it for now. And I want to thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next one. See ya.